How to fix YouTube stable volume option not showing. So if you want to fix YouTube stable volume option not showing, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your YouTube application. After opening your YouTube, now go with a video, any video that you are comfortable with. And here you need to go with the top right, which has that settings. Under settings, you need to go with additional settings. Under additional settings, you will have stable volume. So you will have the stable volume right here. You can go and turn this on or off. But if you want to fix the stable volume option is not showing, then what you need to do is just go back and make sure that your app is up to date. So you need to open up your Play Store, go with search for YouTube. And if you have any updates, then you just need to simply tap on update and update your application. After updating, you need to restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.